Hi, Carl Harrar. This is the Easy Radar 500 megahertz ground penetrating radar system that I produce. This is the latest version of the radar. As you can see, it now has a four-wheel cart with 14-inch solid rubber tires. No need for inflation. The unit is made from 1/8-inch aluminum plate. It's very, very strong. It disassembles very easily through these easy-to-use connectors. It will actually break down from this point on the newest units, and this handle will swivel down. So it's still easy to carry and collapse. It weighs about, with the unit, it's probably at about 25 pounds in that area. The one thing to note on this unit is that it does have a skid plate, replaceable skid plate on the bottom of the unit. So if it gets worn out, it's easily replaceable. And I do offer those for sale also. The wheels are full sealed ball bearing, and the straps that hold it are nylon adjustable straps that have locks, so it's very, very easy to assemble. The two connections on the bottom here are the USB connection, which is simply a pull on and off using the top clip. So you can just, when you push it back on, you can just hear it click. And this is the encoder input, and it's just keyed so that you can line it up, tighten the ferrule. The encoder is an optical encoder, and so it's good for millions of revolutions. There's actually no mechanical contacts being an optical encoder. The housing, as you can see, is coupled to the shaft of the back wheel through gearing. So it's much better than, for instance, a lot of the competition units use simple belts. Okay, the mount for the tablet is made by RAM. It's a United States company. It is very, very stable. It's fully adjustable. It also is very, very easy to disconnect if you want to carry the tablet separate. Very, very stable and strong. The holder itself can handle different size tablets. This is the GTAC F110. It is a very, very nice tablet. It has 800 nit brightness, but you can use a smaller tablet with this. I also sell an HP Elite tab, which is a very nice also. It's a 10-inch tablet, and it'll mount on the same mount. The handle, it has foam grips. The connection you can see is USB here. And like I said, it's very easy to push from this grip and from this angle, and even come back into pinpoint. I wanted to show you how easy it is to get the unit up and running. You turn the tablet on. Basically, once the screens come up, the scan GPR program is what you want to start. So all my units are touchscreen. The program is up now. So all we do is go down and turn the power of the radar on. Then we want to enable the wheel encoder, and then hit the run button. And now we just simply move it, and now we're taking data. So that's how fast it is to get going. Everything's automatically adjusted, so it should be very, very quick. Very, very quick and easy to use for just about anybody. The red arrows represent the center of the unit, which is also the location of the target. So what you do is basically line up both sets of arrows, Now you can see the one on the top much better. If you were to drag it or use it in another configuration, you'd use the arrows on the unit. So when we hit a target, we simply back up. It displays a white line. You center that white line on the target, and that position is exactly within a fraction of an inch in line with those arrows. I'm going to give you an idea how easy it is to find a pipe. There is a PVC pipe located somewhere in here, and I'm going to take the radar and just progressively move over the pipe, and once I see the pipe, which I do now, I can just pull the radar back to pinpoint the pipe, and now the pipe is lined up exactly with the red arrow. Okay, so we're digging the hole up, and I just actually hit the pipe. I can tell the PVC pipe. If I'm not mistaken, I've dug these up before in here, and they're usually about 1 inch in diameter. So the radar said that it was about 18 inches deep, and you can see clearly that there's the pipe.